Hey, you ever just have a crappy day? Maybe you're not in the mood, you don't feel good, maybe you woke up on the wrong side of the bed. It's just whatever it is, it ain't jiving for you today. Now, the reason I ask is I had a friend of mine call me today, was having a crappy day, and the first thing I thought was that was brilliant. Because I know when I get stuck, I don't always reach out. And the sad part is I've surrounded myself with some absolutely amazing people. I've got a great support system, amazing friends, great family, all kinds of resources around me to help. And yet there's still those times I don't reach out, maybe I don't want to bother somebody, or, I'm embarrassed by what's going on, whatever it may be. But what I know is when people call me, I love to help. And I just got to believe that my support system wants the same thing. So maybe you're having a crappy day today. Maybe it's not the best one ever. And maybe it's time to reach out to someone who cares about you, have a little conversation. Maybe they can support you in getting past it. So crappy day, reach out. Maybe if you're having a great day, you reach out to somebody else. Hope you're good today. Talk to you soon.